Okay, so here we are in the magical window of recording things, and we're gonna open up my thingy that I'm working on Photoshop with because look, I get all these little layers and it just makes it easy. So I've put my equation for my remembering because it takes me like months to memorize equations, and as you can tell, I'm using text layers because my pen tablet is really hard to use and it makes it really hard to read because I can't see what I'm writing on. So there's that. But I'm just gonna do this and that's gonna happen. So first we need to find the center. And so we're gonna pick the 2 points, which we're gonna use this one. Oh, I don't like that color. Ah! My computer does this sometimes. Sorry. Anyway, we'll use red. I like red. Red's a good color. So we're gonna pick this point. Now that needs to be a bigger brush. Well, that's probably too big, but I don't care. Those 2 points for the X, and then we'll use green, because green's a pretty cool color and it's Christmas, so those 2 points for the Y. So first we need to figure out what points we have, and so for X, which is the red, we have, this is -1. Wow, that is a huge brush. -5. And then this is also on the -5, and it's 5. So it's 5 and -5, and then so now we just have to figure out the distance from -1 to 5, which is, I think it's 4. Let's count. Let's count. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 4 to the center. What am I doing wrong? Let's pull up my calculator because I can't do that math in my head for some reason. I think I'm supposed to. Yeah, it's 6. Okay, that was really weird. So from there to there is 6, and then take that in half, and the radius would be -3. Yay! I'm gonna erase that. Oops. And then we'll come over here to our magic type tool and write radius -3. And now we need to find our center points. I'm gonna make my brush smaller. Okay, so this point, which it's really easy to see on here, so I already know that the center is -5 too, but we're going to find it mathematically. And so we want to find, I think it's we need to find the, I just watched the video, so I'm going to come over here and write center, except I spelled that wrong. Where's my 5, yo? It's probably a really crappy video, I'm sorry. Oh my gosh, I only have 5 minutes and I'm already in 4 minutes. Okay, so I gotta talk faster. So -5 too, because you can see it like right there, that's the center. But what you need to do to find it mathematically is you take the average of these 2 points, and then you add it out, and then you get the x point, and then you do the same with the y points, which the y, this y is -2, 2, oh wait, yeah, 2, -2, and then this is, I think I wrote that wrong, oh well, negative, x goes first, so it's 2, yeah, no, I wrote that right, -8, and then you take the average of those 2 points, and you get the 2. And that's how you find the center and the radius, and now we have to write the equation, and I got 5 seconds, so I'm just gonna make another video after this. Woo! Alright, and now we're here with screencast number 2 to give us the final part of the assignment, which, as you can see, I've actually started mathematically finding this because I know that's what you want to see. So what we're doing right here is I'm taking the average of the y points. So we've got -8, and then it's also a -2, but since you're negative to negative make positive, so you get -2, and then you divide that by 3, and it's, wait a minute, why did I say divide by 3? Let's do that again. We get 3, so you add 2, and then divide it by 2, and you get -3, which is, once again, 3 is this radius, and I can't, for some reason, figure out why it's not giving me what the center should be, but that's how you mathematically find it. I think this is just placed weird or something. So there's those, and now we're going to write our equation. So that's going to go on top of everything. And we have x minus h, which is -5. And since it's a negative, we're going to have to change it to a positive. And then we're going to square that, and then add it to y minus k, which is 2. And then we're going to square that, and then that all equals -3, and we're going to square that by taking our fun little 2, bringing it down here, because I'm too lazy to try and write everything out. Whoops. My love, take my breath away. I don't know why I started singing. Dang. That's embarrassing. Bring that down so you can see better. Now we'll zoom out to 100%. And then there's all the fun work, and this is our answers. I'm going to change all the text layers to have the red that we need. Nope. Let's see. That way. Anyway, that's all squared, and I'll make a fun little box around it so you can see it better. Where's my new layer, yo? Give it a gray background. Bigger pen. Whoa. I don't know why I did that, but there's the answer. That was weird. Oh, I know why. Never mind. Anyway, that's fun. There's the answer. It's x plus 2 squared plus y minus 2 squared. Wait, why did I write a 2? Dang, that's actually supposed to be a 5. And you wonder why I'm barely passing people. That's what my dad said. He's like, why are you barely passing? Anyway, it's x plus 5 squared plus y minus 2 squared equals -3 squared. Boom! In the freaking bag. That was like a 10-minute recording with 2 different recordings, but there is your answer.